Hey, it's Shira, and it's time to say goodbye to TV Sherlock for another extended hiatus. The final episode of Season 3, The Last Vow, aired Monday night. The Chic Geeks here sum up the fans' reaction.
Take one more step, I swear I will kill you.
No. The dramatic series finale, which of course we won't spoil here, plus the long wait time until a 4th season, has filled the internet with actual feelings. To quote @HisBestMan from Twitter, nervous because Sherlock, excited because Sherlock, sad because Sherlock, happy because Sherlock, worried because Sherlock, help me. Over on Tumblr, Roar Dinosaur sums up the debate around the show in one easy-to-digest image. It's coming, guys, it's coming. These dudes have to go make like 22 more Hobbit movies for Peter Jackson. Have patience. But there have been some Sherlock Season 3 reactions that aren't 100% emo. BuzzFeed's Antonia Heslop reacted to His Last Vow, not with pained Twitter poems and misdirected anger, but by summarizing the finale's action in 8-bit video game style. But our favorite reaction so far comes from musical YouTubers AVBite, who have turned the latest Sherlock adventures into a musical extravaganza.
I needed help to keep my profile
Am I the only one who didn't
but
know?
all this time I wished I could come
I swear to God, I'll kill you, Sherlock!
How are you coping with the loss of Sherlock for another lengthy hiatus? What will you watch in the meantime? Let us hear from you in the comments below, and we'll read our favorite responses in a future video. Subscribe, do that because we have awesome videos every single day, and click right up here to the right to see the new trailer for one of our other favorite TV shows, Game of Thrones. Their 4th season is happening in just a few months. See? Life's still worth living for, you guys. Dragons.